Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, a lot of people have been complaining about packages being stolen. What do you call Porch pirates? Now there are few ways you can avoid it that I will say. First of all, like a lot of shopping apps provide you live tracking. Like Amazon, they give you the tracking where the package is and how soon you can expect it to be. So if you are at home and you see, and moreover alerts come, so first of all subscribe to alerts. If it is coming from a third party courier like UPS or some or FedEx or whoever, they also give alerts. So get alerts so that you know that where exactly your package is placed at your door. Okay, so if someone is at home, if you're not at home and you get an alert, then whoever is at home, call them and tell them to get the package inside. If you are anticipated to be out for long, what I would do recently, I called my neighbor and I said, please pick the package, keep it with themselves. Next day, when I came, I collected it. Have the doorbell camera and other things for sure, so that there is some sort of recording where it is being dropped. Another thing you can do is like you don't have to get the package at your place. You can have it stored at the delivery courier's office from where you can pick up. So this is also a good option if you find that you'll be out for a few days or you are not going to be there for long or there is no one to pick the package up. Get your package delivered at the what do you call delivery center or hold up center. There are so many such things where you can pick it up later. So in this way, you can always safeguard your packages. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to channel.